Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Commerce Cupid. I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today we continue our series and discuss next 20 important questions of accountancy. So without any delay, let's begin. Our first question is buying good for cash would be option A have no effect on current ratio, option B increase the current ratio, option C decrease the gross profit percentage, option D increase the gross profit percentage. The right answer of this question is option number A, which is have no effect on current ratio. Next question number 2 is the interest coverage ratio or the time interest earned is used to test the option A firm liquidity position, option B firm debt servicing capacity, option C firm debt repaying capacity, option D all of the above. The right answer of this question is option number B, which is firm debt servicing capacity. Next question number 3 is which of the following is not a ratio for analyzing the profitability? Option A operating ratio, option B net profit ratio, option C acid test ratio, option D none of the above. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is acid test ratio. Next question number 4 is current ratio is option A balance sheet ratio, option B profit and loss ratio, option C combined ratio, option D income ratio. The right answer of this question is option number A, which is balance sheet ratio. Next question number 5 is long term solvency is indicated by option A asset liability ratio, option B debt equity ratio, option C interest coverage ratio, option D all are correct. The right answer of this question is option number D, which is all are correct. Next question number 6 is ideal current ratio is option A 1:1, option B 2:1, option C 1:2, option D 1:3. The right answer of this question is option number B, which is 2:1. Next question number 7 is ideal acid test ratio is option A 2:1, option B 1:1, option C 1:3, option D 3:1. The right answer of this question is option number B, which is 1:1. Next question number 8 is change in profit divided by change in sale multiply by 100 is equal to option A break even point, option B PV ratio, option C contribution, option D margin of safety. The right answer of this question is option number B, which is PV ratio. Next question number 9 is liquid ratio is calculated. Option A total asset by total liabilities, option B current asset by current liabilities, option C liquid asset by current liabilities, option D current liabilities by liquid asset. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is liquid asset divided by current liabilities. Next question number 10 is which of the following is an activity ratio? Option A net profit ratio, option B current ratio, option C debtor turnover ratio, option D none of these. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is debtor turnover ratio. Next question number 11 is a decreasing current ratio indicate option A stable liquidity, option B increasing liquidity, option C strained liquidity, option D satisfactory current solvency. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is strained liquidity. Next question number 12 is proprietary ratio relate the shareholder fund to? Option A, total assets. Option B, profit. Option C, loss. Option D, dividend. The right answer of this question is option number A, which is total asset. Next question number 13 is, as per AS3, cash flow can be classified into option A, operating and investing activities, option B, investing and financing activities, option C, operating and financing activities, option D, operating, investing and financing activities. The right answer of this question is option number D, which is operating, investing and financing activities. Next question number 14 is, which of the following is not an element of cash flow? Option A, operating activities, option B, financing activities, option C, investing activities, option D, inventory activities. The right answer of this question is option number D, which is inventory activities. Next question number 15 is, receipt from sale of machinery will be shown under cash flow from which activity? Option A, operating activity, option B, financing activity, option C, investing activity, option D, commercial activity. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is investing activity. Next question number 16 is, issue of preference share is A. Option A, cash flow from operating activities. Option B, cash flow from financing activities. Option C, cash flow from investing activities. Option D, cash flow from commercial activities. The right answer is option number B, which is cash flow from financing activities. Next question number 17 is, a decision to issue new debenture is option A, capital budgeting decision, option B, operating decision, option C, financing decision, option D, investing decision. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is financing decision. Next question number 18 is, out of the following which is not cash flow from operating activity? Option A, cash received from sale of goods. Option B, payment of suppliers. Option C, cash received from sale of fixed asset. Option D, payment of income tax. The right answer of this question is option number C, which is cash received from sale of fixed asset. Question number 19 is, out of the following which is cash flow from financial activities? Option A, cash received from royalty. Option B, payment of dividend. Option C, purchase of fixed asset. Option D, all of the above. The right answer of this question is option number B, which is payment of dividend. Next question number 20 is, out of the following which is not cash flow from financing activity? Option A, cash received from issue of share. Option B, redemption of debenture. Option C, payment of interest. Option D, dividend received. The right answer of this question is option number D, which is dividend received. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, then please like the video, subscribe to channel, also share your score in comment section. Till then, stay happy and healthy.